Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the next concept of employment, that is full employment equilibrium. The full employment equilibrium is a situation when in the economy aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand corresponding to full employment in the economy. Means we should have equilibrium as well as full employment. Both conditions should be there. Then that particular situation will be termed as full employment equilibrium. It means equilibrium in economy with all the resources are fully employed. Means when there is AS is equal to AD means equilibrium is there and all the resources in the economy are also fully employed. Means whoever wants to do the work, they are getting the work. Clear? So the two conditions necessary for full employment equilibrium is first AD is equal to AS and second supply of labor is equal to demand of labor. Because this second situation tell us the full employment in the economy and this first situation tell us the equilibrium. Clear? So when the two situation exist, then it becomes full employment equilibrium. This second situation, supply of labor is equal to demand of labor, shows full employment, and this first AD is equal to AS shows equilibrium. Clear? Here we can understand this full employment equilibrium by taking an assumption that suppose in an economy when supply of labor is equal to demand of labor, SL is equal to DL, means there is full employment in the economy. We are supposing that the full employment level in the economy or demand and supply of labor are equal, then the output produced in the economy is 100. It means when all the factors of production are fully employed, the production they are producing is 100. The level of output being produced is 100. Clear? This is the output which is produced at full employment level. Clear? And also the equilibrium between AD and AS is struck when value of output is 100. Means here also at this 100 level of output, aggregate demand, it is planned aggregate demand and aggregate supply both are equal. Clear? So the both the condition full employment as well as equilibrium condition exist at output 100. Clear? So in this case value of output at full employment, which is 100, is equal to the value of output at equilibrium point, which is 100. Clear? So in such a situation 100 is said to be the equilibrium level of output at full employment. Clear? So this is a situation of full employment equilibrium where value of output produced when all the resources are fully employed is equal to the value of output when aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. So that 100 refers to the full employment equilibrium output. We can also understand this by a diagram here which is depicting the full employment equilibrium diagram.